So you might be having an issue where for some reason your AirPod microphone quality is extremely poor. Now what does this mean? Well, essentially maybe you're talking on the phone with somebody and maybe the audio isn't as great as you think it was, or maybe they're having issues with your audio. Well, the very first thing I would recommend doing is taking a look at your AirPods and just understanding that if you have a really old AirPods, sometimes the mechanism in the AirPods, microphones themselves can be a little bit corrupt. So keep that in mind. But typically, if you can take a look at your AirPod and take a look at around it, especially with the bottom portion of your AirPods, you might be able to see a little speaker grill and a little microphone hole around your AirPods. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is cleaning out your whole entire set of AirPod. So basically get a napkin or maybe a cotton swab of some sort and clean out gently the earpiece right here, any of these sensors, as well as this back portion, which there's a little microphone grill there, as well as the bottom portion. Typically, by cleaning out everything around your AirPods, this can pretty much rest assure you that you'll probably not have issues with the AirPods themselves, unless there was another big issue within them. If for some reason the whole entire AirPod is messed up, then that's a completely different situation. But if your AirPods themselves aren't the issue, well, then the next thing I'd recommend doing is making sure your AirPods were completely charged up. Another thing that can happen constantly is that maybe your AirPods that you had, maybe they weren't charged up overnight, or maybe the case itself wasn't charged up either. So what you can do is grab a little charging cord, just like this one, plug it into the bottom of your AirPods, and all you want to do is go ahead and let your AirPod case charge up. Sometimes if you don't charge your AirPods, it can honestly go back to not, having your AirPods charged up there too. And that can cause some issues with your AirPods with the microphone, as well as some other features not working out either. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is try turning off noise reduction. I think that is one little option you may have. Or I think it is enhancing audio quality within FaceTime if you're calling through FaceTime. Another thing you can do is try updating your iPhone as well, or your Android phone, and seeing if that ends up fixing the issue as well. So those are a few different things you can do to go and fix this issue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.